So I did my self-change assignment on reducing anxiety and eliminating procrastination. In the first assignment, Mr. DeForest pointed out to me that procrastination is typically linked with anxiety, and that really made me think because I definitely procrastinate a lot, and if I didn't, I would definitely be able to eliminate a lot of my anxiety. So, my outline is basically to eliminate or reduce procrastination, and I want to take action in the things that I have to do rather than sitting and waiting on them. And overall, I want to worry less. So, my plan is to organize my planner weekly, which I already do, but in a more detailed fashion. For example, I'm going to designate specific times of the day for studying or doing actual assignments. And then my goal implementation plan would be, for example, if I sit down on my bed to watch TV or relax, I will immediately get up and move to my desk to complete tasks if I have not. So the point of it is to basically like stop myself from sitting down whenever I know that I have other things to do. And then a relevant construct that I found was cognitive approach to behaviorism, which is the influence of thoughts and mental processes and how they relate to behavior. So I want to improve my own personal cognitive approach to behaviorism and create a sense of calmness in my thoughts. Because definitely if I'm calmer about what I'm thinking in my head, it's going to reflect in what I'm doing. So rather than having a negative thought going through my mind whenever I'm thinking about what I have to do, I'll calm myself down before I sit down to actually do my assignments. And while I'm doing them, instead of stressing myself out about, oh my goodness, I have so much, I'll have a sense of calmness and be able to just move through my assignments. And then an effective construct, I found three different ones, and one of them I want to eliminate, and the other two I plan to utilize to help me. So the one that I want to eliminate is a cocktail party effect, which is processing things without really knowing what is going on. So that's, for example, to me, that would be like reading something for an assignment or studying and not really processing it, just kind of going through the motions. So I want to try to eliminate that. And selective attention is focusing attention on single or small set of stimuli. So I think that's specific for like handwritten projects that I have to do or assignments. And so if I set out a time to just focus specifically on one single thing, then I'll actually get it done and not, zone out. And then sustained attention is paying attention to the same thing over a prolonged period of time, which is good for studying. So if I sustain my attention on psychology, then I designate that time and focus solely on psychology, not jump from assignment to assignment. And then to track my process, my progress, my measure is going to be to count the number of days where all tasks were completed. And my tracker would be to count up the days to create a streak and encourage continuation. So the biggest thing here is creating a streak for me because, for example, on Snapchat, you have streaks with people because you've talked to them multiple days in a row. And if I can dedicate time to maintaining those streaks, I definitely can maintain time to complete the streaks that I'm doing with this self-change project. And my community impact would be to stabilize my emotions and feel more organized. So if I do that, the less stress I have, I'm going to be more pleasant and I'm going to be and feel more productive. So eliminating procrastination will stop me from, spreading my stress to others, like my friends, rather than telling them, oh my goodness, I'm so stressed out about the assignments that I have. I'll know that, okay, I have a designated plan on how to handle it and how to get everything done. So in conclusion, I just want to eliminate procrastination as a whole, and I want to reduce the amount of anxiety that I carry. So I'm going to motivate myself with streaks, like I said, similar to Snapchat, and through doing this, I'm going to allow myself to be an overall more relaxed and happy person.